Introducing the Toyota Ambient RD Prius PHV concept. The Prius concept is the first collaboration between Toyota Modellista, a company division focused on visual enhancements, and Toyota Racing Development, TRD, Toyota's in-house tuning shop. TRD used its understanding of aerodynamics, while Modellista brought its aftermarket visual know-how to the table for a truly bizarre and eye-catching concept. Underneath the wild exterior in purple accents is a Prius plug-in hybrid. Though don't expect the next Prius to have fins and spines and purple accents. This is a concept, a collaboration between two Toyota divisions that focuses on entirely different aspects of the automobile.